Hello guys, I hope you're okay. As I said before that I will start a free Forex course and that's what I will do. And the best and easy way I'll start with from Baby Pips. It's a very good website. It have free lessons on Forex and it will save my time as well. All you have to go www.babypips.com and you'll see you can type learn Forex and you'll go from there and click on Learn Forex. If you just go on my website, you can just find Learn Forex there. Right. So basically, it's not everything is there. So a lot of things are there to learn the Forex. And the way I will tackle it, I will explain it from there. I mean, there's no much information. I will demonstrate on the chart as well as on the whiteboard online. So I'll explain to you. I find that's the best way for you. So, and also if you want to go ahead and do your practice, you can always go back to the written material as well. And if you want to do your own research, you can do your own research as well. So best thing I recommend that go to sign in and make an account on babypips.com. And there are quizzes online as well for you to practice as well if you want to practice more about Forex. I mean, some of the basic lessons, you don't need to know much. Just what is Forex. All you just need basic information. What is Forex, and that's all. You don't have to go much into detail. It's not relevant to it's not relevant for your and making the money. But however, if you want to go for more detail, you can. I think I haven't shared my screen. Let me share my screen with you guys. And this is the screen. And all you have to just go to www.babypeeps.com, and from there you can go on Learn Forex. I just can type Learn Forex and you'll get it from there. So I recommend make sign in and make an account here. Because there is they give almost every lesson, I think they give different quizzes and you can practice as well. Yeah, I hope that's helpful for you guys. All right. So let's quickly look into it and so you can check your progress. If you basically, as I said earlier on, if you go through this and you will check your progress. If there's anything is missed, you have to go back to the written material as well and do your own research, as I said before. So anyway, let's carry on. So the course one is preschool, and it has the school of the School of Pipsology, and you can track the progress. It's called School of Pipsology, the actual Forex course in total as a whole, and the total number of lessons is 361. So the first one, course 1 to 11, preschool, and then you have these are different topics. What is Forex? How do you trade Forex? When can you trade Forex? Who trades Forex? Why trade Forex? Margin trading, and then you have kindergarten course 2 of 11. So total 11 courses, and these are the different lessons. There's elementary, and they have different courses here as well. There's different lessons, as you can see, sport and resistance. But anyway, I'll go all through grade 1, grade 2, and then the middle school, summer school, and then we got high school, and we got, so you got everything there. Yeah, so there's undergraduate, there's undergraduate So for more, and undergraduate junior, undergraduate senior, and risk management and graduation. So there's a lot of things there, guys. It's amazing. So it'll save me to write everything from the start and make a different course for you because the basics are always and the purpose would be to make you money. That would be the focus. So anything which is not explained very well here, or I need more explanation, which I feel necessary, I'll explain to you. So let's start on the first one. Here. So make sure you make your sign in and start from there. And as I said, you will receive the question, the quizzes, and information probably in the email as well. So let's start. So Forex, what is Forex? First of all, the one more thing I want to highlight, maybe there will be, I combine some of the lessons together, or maybe I just in one day make more than one lessons because especially if the lesson is smaller and it doesn't need much explanation, I'll make some smaller lessons, but see how it goes. And so what is Forex? So it's a Forex, that's the first one. So let's click on this. Quite simply, it's the global financial market that allows one to trade currencies. Basically, you could trade currencies in the Forex, worldwide currencies, and you make profit by selling or buying them. As similarly, if suppose you have a currency, you buy, for example, if you go to a different country and you could exchange the currency and you buy that country's currency, and if you sell it at the price is changed of that currency, if you buy it in cheaper price, then it's increased. When you sell it, you make profit. And similarly, you buy and sell to make profit. So these are the currencies and how they're. Okay, that's fine. So basically, the exchange rates. Every currency have a rate against a different currency, as you can see. Here it says in the dollar, if you're buying against one currency and selling against other currency. So it says foreign exchange. What is Forex? Forex exchange basically stands for foreign exchange market, or FX. And it's a global market. And the trading volume is around 6.6 trillion, or around 7 trillion. At some places it's written, but here it says 6.6 trillion. But anyway, it's it's the biggest financial market in the world. So if this is a New York exchange, then as compared to Forex market, New York exchange looks like this. Let me take my epic pen out. So this size as compared to this is nothing, because this is Forex market and this is New York Stock Exchange, right? And the different stock markets in the world here, this is the total volume, 6.6 trillion. And you can see in that volume, different stock market exchanges have smaller volume as compared to what this is. So this is shown in a chart. So you can see this is a bar chart, and this is huge as compared to this Tokyo, New York, London. So and also one more thing I want to explain to you that here it says the market is forex market is open 24 hours. Oh, virtually it is, but not really. At weekend it's not open, and it's rest of the days is more or less open 24 hours. 1 hour when the market New York Exchange, almost 1 hour is a break. Most of the brokers until the next session starts, Asian session. So that's what you need to remember. And when we go further into detail, we'll go which sessions are the better, when to trade, which times are better for trading, and where's the more volume, I mean, more trading opportunities, in other words. So we'll see that as long as further along we go, right? So that is so the day start when traders wake up in Auckland, Wellington. That's in Auckland, Wellington. Then moves to Sydney, Singapore, Hong Kong, Tokyo, Frankfurt, London, and finally New York before trading starts all over again in New Zealand. So this is how the day starts. So that's it. So just go through again the main points. And also, I just want to say, mention to you that all these Forex exchanges, they are interconnected through internet to each other. And at one point I will explain, but that's not necessary to make you money. So all you need to understand that the Forex, they have some sort of connection to either via the network or internet network. All the big banks and big guys who trade, big retailers, small traders, or the person with companies with billions of pounds, dollars, they are connected to the same system, so that the whole market is traded. So there's not much price difference between different brokers. We can go into more details later on, but that's the basic you need to remember. So that is for the first lesson. But however, let's see what's traded in Forex. So it says the shortest answer that traded in Forex, we trade money. And what else says here? Let's see. The major currencies. There are 8 major currencies. There's CAD, GBP, Euro, JPY, AUD, CHF, USD, and ZD. And as you can see, CAD means Canadian dollars, GBP, Great Britain pound, Euro is European Euro, and JPY, Japanese yen, AUD, Australian dollar, CHF, Swiss franc, USD, United States dollar, and NZD, New Zealand dollar. So these are the currencies. These 8 currencies are called the major currencies. Right. Yeah, one interesting thing you will need to know that these currencies, these 8 currencies, which I said, the major currencies, they have different nicknames. Yeah. Yeah, so there are different nicknames of these currencies. Code, different currencies have different codes, and country and currency, and there's a nickname. Yeah, US dollar is called buck as a nickname. Euro is called fiber. JPY is called yen. GBP is called cable. CHF, it's called Swizzy. CAD is loony. Australian dollar is called Aussie. NZD, New Zealand, is the dollar is called Kiwi. So these are just nicknames. Yeah, you need to remember. Because a lot of traders use these names as well. So you know somebody is talking about. Right. These three letters are known as ISO 24217 currency code. There are three letters. Yes, the currency symbols have three letters. So these are called ISO 4217 codes. Currency codes. So currency symbols are where the first two letters identify the name of the country and the third letter identifies the name of the country's currency. Usually the first letter of the currency's name. So, and by 1973, the International Organization for Standardization, ISO, established the three-letter codes for currencies that we use today. Okay, fine. So these are different codes for different currencies and how you, in fact, that's fun fact. So you can read these fun facts and all that, but that's not a part of the making money. This fun in Peru, nickname for the US dollar is Coco, which is a pet name for George. George in Spanish, a reference to the portrait of George Washington on the number one on $1 note. But anyway, let's carry on. Don't worry about this too much. These fun facts. Okay. So next lesson is buying and sell currency pairs. So I'll just keep it to this, the first lesson. And next lesson we go to, we'll start from here. So I hope this is useful and you enjoyed this. If you have any comments and if you have any more explanation, I can in the next lesson I can explain to you. There are a lot of things need to come because the purpose of this Forex course is to start from the basics to people who do not know any ABC of Forex. So you always put your comments, and there's a lot of interesting things are coming in the very near future. So I'll try to have more lessons in one day or maybe in a week. I may have 2-3 lessons depending how busy I am. So right. So on that note, I end it and have a good day. Good night. Thank you. Bye-bye.